Welcome back to my channel, TR. My name is TerrellTailored. I appreciate each and every last one of you for tuning in to watch my videos. Smash the like button, 2 million likes, let's get into it. Hey yo, TailoredBand, if you rocking with me, drop that fire emoji for dropping this heat. Listen, I already know this is about to be heavy reacted to. All right, the highly anticipated double twist out. Yes, a lot of you been inquiring about my haircut, what type of haircut I got. Now I'll break that down for you. You're gonna go step by step. You're gonna learn the whole motion, man. I don't even want to talk no more. So as you know, I sleep with my TailoredBand. Every time I do a twist out and a double twist out, I sleep with my TailoredBand just to stretch my twist and get the best results, so my twist can actually be longer and elongated as well. If you wanted to know how to stretch your twist, get a TailoredBand and check the description box right now. Now, as you see, when I take off my TailoredBand and I have my twist in there, they're elongated and they're stretched. A lot of people say my hair doesn't grow, but as you see, my curls and my actual twist are actually stretched out, and that's why I use the TailoredBand. If you actually want to stretch out your hair and elongate your hair, you need a TailoredBand for that. But as you see, my hair is very dry, and I actually want to go in there and moisturize it before I take the twist out. That way I can get the moisturizer evenly with using Curls Cream Brulee. This stuff smells incredibly good. You just need a small amount, and you're just going to spread it through your hand, maybe a quarter size, and then you're going to spread it out through your hair evenly on each twist, and that's going to get the twist moisturized, and it's going to make it easier to detangle, because that's a big thing. This is one of the things I want to focus on, is the detangling, because that's one of the questions that I get a lot with my twist. A lot of you are doing twist outs and you say your twists aren't looking like mine. That's because you actually have to detangle it. One thing that I did with this, as far as detangling, I use thicker twists. That's one thing I do talk about, is doing thicker twists. A lot of you do small twists. I did thick twists, and when you get thick twists, you get a fuller result, and that's the look that I go for, is for thicker twists here. So when you separate your twist, you actually want to separate it maybe no more than 3 times. I usually separate it twice, but I never want to go past 3 times, because if you start to separate them past 3 times, it's going to be a little bit stringy, and I don't want the stringy look. I want the thicker curls that make it a little bit fuller and thicker. So as you see here, I'm only detangling it and splitting it once, and then I'll go back and then detangle it one more time. So you're going to do it in half, and then you're going to split that half, as you see here. And make sure you do it slowly. Don't do it fast, because when you do it slower, it's still going to remain stretched. But as you see here, that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm just detangling the twist and to get my curl hair results as well. So let's go over this, and then we're going to get that in more detail. As you see how the curl is elongated and twisted and defined, that's the look that you want to go for when you have a thicker twist in your hair. All right, so now I'm just focusing on the back to make sure that's detangled. The back is a little bit more difficult just because you really can't get to the back, but that's the end results. Now, this is my hidden secret right here. I'm going to hop in the shower, and the steam is going to actually really define my curls, as you see here. This is the results right here. My hair is still wet and moisturized, and as you see, my hair shrunk like crazy. My hair shrinks up. I have really curly hair. When you have really curly hair, your hair shrinks up. So if you go back to the very beginning part of this video, you will see how my hair was a lot longer, and then as soon as I got in the shower and the steam hit it, it shrunk up like crazy. So that's why you think my hair stays the same, because it shrinks up.
and I have really curly hair. It's the difference between my curl pattern and a looser curl pattern. I have a tight S-shaped curl pattern, and that's why it shrinks up. And as you see, the back is super curly, man. I love the results. These are the results right here.
All right, Tailor Trop, so I hope this was able to assist you on your natural journey. Whether you're looking to get curlier hair or longer hair, whatever the case may be, follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at TerrellTailored. And until next time, Tailor Trop, remember, it's never too late to tailor your life the way you want to see it. My name is TerrellTailored. Can't wait to see you next time.